Hey, want to know how to make money from home? If so, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 dead simple methods that actually work to make $1,000 per month from your couch. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Now, out of countless ways that you can go out there and make money from the comfort of your home, I only chose these 3 because these are the fastest to start. They have the highest earning potential and they're beginner friendly. So I'm gonna break it down one by one, but the first one is freelancing, which is quick cash this week. Number 2 is gonna be affiliate marketing, which is pretty much earning money while you sleep, and I'm gonna show you in a minute as you watch this how that works. Number 3 will be online tutoring, which you can make anywhere from $15 to $50 an hour. So let's jump into it and let's go with the first one. Method number 1 is freelancing, and this is hands down the fastest way to start making from home in my opinion. And websites like these that you see on the screen, like Fiverr.com, really helps you get started. So this website right here, to give you a little backstory, is the website I use to go find help when I need things to be done or outsourced. So for example, if I'm working on other projects, I'm too busy, I go to this website to find people that can help me create logos or write articles for for an advertisement, or anything that I need that has to do with virtual assistant stuff. I go to websites like these, like Fiverr.com, to find people. All right, so you can be that person. You can be that person that can be helping that busy business owner or somebody that just has too much on their hands, in order for them to to free up their time so they can do the things that they're supposed to be doing that are more productive. All right, so if let's say if I need somebody that has that has writing skills, or that knows how to create logos, or that knows how to pretty much do certain tasks that I'm too busy to do on the internet, I go to this website. So all you gotta do, let's say you have a skill set, all you gotta do is pretty much go here, click on become a seller, and just sign up, right? So when you sign up, just pretty much create a simple profile saying that I help business owners with etc., right? So whatever the skill is. Okay, then all you gotta do is you can start out with 10 to 25 gigs to get reviews. They pay you $10 per gig. You can make good income. Let me tell you about a friend of mine that pretty much used Canva, had no experience, and made $500 per month in 2 months, just simply creating basic logos for people's brands. If you by any chance need help learning the necessary skills to become a freelancer, I have a free freelancing guide. Is a free video for you to help you get started. So it's in the description, check it out at any point in this video. Next, it's pretty much money that keeps coming while you sleep. Method number 2 is my favorite, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty much, in my opinion, I call it the passive income machine. So what it is that you promote products you love, you pick a niche or a product that you love, and basically you get paid 5 to 50% commissions on your sales through your link. So how it works is that every time you join an affiliate program, you get they give you you get given, you probably know this, you get given an affiliate link, a promotional link. Then you just take that link and you share it on social media, or you share it with a person that you feel that the product is gonna is gonna benefit them. And when they click the link and make a purchase through that link, you get paid commissions. Okay, so a good platform I recommend is this one right here. Basically, you can find products of different niche, different industries, and pick the one that you like. Pick 1 or 3 that you love, and then just start sharing those products with the audience that those products will solve problems for. Okay, so it's super simple. There's people that use ClickBank is another one. Another one could be Share a Sale, or even Amazon, right? Even Amazon. But this right here, I highly recommend it because it pays highest commission. Now, if you're like me and you think big and you want to get paid even higher commissions, talking about 80, 60, 40, 60, 80 commissions, right? 80% commissions. I got my number 1 recommendation in the description, so click on that. That's pretty much the affiliate program that I currently use. Anything that I share in those links is pretty much things that I personally use and I highly recommend. So if at any point you want to see what I use personally, what I that I recommend, you're gonna get a lot of the education, you're gonna get the tools, and you get paid high commissions. Check out my number one recommendation below. All right, so that's all you got to do with affiliate marketing. Just pick a niche. It could be fitness, cooking, gadgets, etc. Join 2 or 3 programs. If you're just really new, just join one and then learn from it, and then you can add additional income streams. All right, and then just share your links. Right, share your links on social media. A lot of programs like the one that I recommend below teaches you how to do that. You can share it on blogs, you can share it on YouTube, and we teach people how to exactly do that. People that join any of my programs that I promote, I give them personal mentoring to, and access to to personal bonuses, so they can learn how to do it. Okay, let me show you a quick screenshot here. So on one of the programs that I promote, right here you can see there's team members making residual commissions from from this from affiliate marketing. This is another program right here where you can see people get listed here on the top 10. You can see people making income. I gotta make an income disclaimer though, that these results aren't typical. It's gonna require you commitment and pretty much consistency and dedication to make significant income with affiliate marketing. I share this with you because I just want to show you what's possible. My number one recommendation, if you're starting out, it's a beginner tip, is basically only use stuff that you use. All right, because people can tell when you're fake. Okay, and when you promote things that you already use, it's actually easier to market because you know the ins and out of it, and you can help that person better make a better informed decision when you use what you're when you're promoting what you're using. Okay, so that's my number one advice for people when they're starting out with affiliate marketing. Just promote things that you use yourself, and that's what I do personally. Let's go ahead and go to the next method. In my opinion, last method pays best per hour. So method number 3 is online tutoring, and it pays anywhere between $15 to $50 per hour. Now, if you have any skill on math, English, guitar, cooking, or Excel, or even hobbies, then you can actually go here to this website called Pretly.com and sign up as a tutor. I use this website as an example because it's actually the fastest one to get approved. So all you gotta do is pretty much sign up, get approved, and then start earning. All right, and you can see here you can set your own rate. You can choose your hourly rate and change it anytime. Average English tutors, for example, they they charge anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour. You can actually teach anytime and anywhere, so you can decide when and how many hours you want to teach. There's no minimum time commitment or fixed schedule, so pretty much you get to be your own boss by doing this. Okay, so there's other websites like Udemy as well. You can create a course one time and you can sell that course forever. That's another method you can do as far as the online tutoring. And there's also Skillshare where you can actually earn monthly royalties. Okay, so all you have to do again is just pick your best skill that you have. Go to Pretly.com. I recommend Pretly because it seems that they have the fastest approval rate. And pretty much you can start earning, like I said, anywhere between $15 to $20 an hour. So let's break it down. So let's say if you're a college kid or somebody and you want to tutor high school math, so 10 hours per week times $20, that's pretty much $800 per month from home. Okay, and you can get bonus payment like for $20 by going to Udemy.com and pretty much listing a course on there, and you can get paid passive income from years and years to come. Which one is best for you? Is it freelancing? Is it affiliate, which is the most passive and builds passive income over time? Or is it tutoring? Right? Is it tutoring, which is pretty much the highest pay per hour? My recommendation for beginners starting out is to start in affiliate marketing. Why, you ask? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can actually learn the necessary skills that helps all other methods. Okay, so there you have it. There you go. Those are actually 3 real ways to make money from home. And if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation, where you can earn $1,000 from the comfort of your home, from your couch especially, go ahead and click that first link in the description. Is my #1 recommendation. Click on it, access the free video, and if you feel this it's a good fit for you, simply get started. Other than that, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.